Alright, so I've had the laptop just opened, just the keyboard and the back panel, and I thought I was live, but I wasn't anyway. Okay, haven't done anything further. Basically the issue is it will not turn on. So we'll get the charger, plugged in. That's the wrong charger. Here we go. And we get charging light, but pressing the power button does nothing. So let's have a look, see if the power button actually works. So we're in DC mode. Okay, let's see where the power button might be. It's 3.2. If I press the power button, still the same. Try the second one. Nope. Try the third one. Nope. Try the last one. Maybe that's a bad ground. So let's get another ground from the USB port. Okay. Try this one here. I wonder if the power button actually works. Oh, there we go. The power button actually works. It's the third one, the middle one, okay. No issues with the power button. We can rule that out. Okay, let's look deeper. Now, so what should we do? Okay. Let's start taking the bottom panel out. That was the top panel. That's one of those, okay. So this had a SSD. This one looks more like a corporate user and doesn't look like it has any liquid or physical damage, but we'll find out. Okay. DDR4 8 gigs, that's our BIOS chip. Could be a BIOS issue, but we'll find out. Alright, all the screws are removed. Let's have a look. We need an opening. Where? Okay, nothing yet. How do we get an opening in this? Maybe we can push out from the keyboard side, the hard drive side. Okay. Let's try the trackpad side. Somewhere. Okay, there's a message. No problem. I'm live. Alright, cool. So, I can't even get this guy open. How bizarre, okay. I should push it out. I think I should be okay to push it out here. My goodness, I can't even take this guy out. It's super firm. Okay. I can see previous people's marks. They tried to also take it out. There's more dent there. I think we can focus over there. Got it, okay. Hey, it's Pixie. Yeah, man, I'm trying to just take this guy out for now. If it doesn't turn on, it gets charged. That's all. Power button does work. But this guy is really tough to get out, unless I'm making a mistake. Can't seem to. Okay, maybe I have to be a little bit tough with it. Okay. So it looks like speakers could be part of the top panel. So what we'll do, that's out, that's out, that's out. Wow. Can't seem to get it out. Okay. This is bizarre. I don't think there will be any screws under these. No, I don't think so. Seriously, I can't even get a case out. Cover. Okay. Unless I'm missing screws. No, I've done them all. How the hell are you supposed to take this out? It's a business model laptop. It should be easy to service and whatnot. That's one of the selling points of the ProBooks to corporates. But not in my case. Let me try popping it out. Are there clips? Okay, I think there are clips. There we go. Okay, we're good. Okay, okay, finally. Very well built, I'll tell you that. Okay. So what's the issue with this guy? That cable seems to be a little loose. I'm not sure if that will have anything to do with it. Which I doubt. It has a charging light. Anything obvious? Spixie, you said you had one of these, or you have one of these still. What's the issue with your one? So let's eliminate daughter boards. Maybe one of them is causing a problem, including the LCD. Alright, and let's attempt to power it on this mode. Charger. Same, you get the yellow light. No fan spin yet. Just check if the USB has a light on the port. No light. Okay. And now let's short the third pin. Nothing. Not even a change in the DC light status. It doesn't start, I think. Alright, okay. So just to rule out the charger, not the charger, charging port, we'll try our own one. That's interesting. On their one we get yellow light. On our one we get white light. What does that mean? That's the strangest system I've seen. Look, yellow. White. Okay. Let's try turning it on using this DC jack. let me double check the voltage of the one I'm pressing. Yep, that's definitely it. And also it's low, isn't it? Shouldn't the power button be at least 3 volts? Okay. Yeah, this is super strange. Okay. Let's assume the DC jack is fine. We'll just keep this guy on the side. Let's really have a look at the motherboard. What's going on? We'll need to remove the battery. There is a white light here, which will tell us if the motherboard is turned on or not. But we'll use our USB light to tell us if it's on or not. No obvious damages. It's a very clean motherboard. It may even just need a battery to be removed and reinstalled. Yeah. Yeah, great. Spixie actually has the same model. I'm not sure if it's disassembled, but see if it's got the motherboard open. If you do, tell me what you see on the 3rd pin on the power button on your one. 3rd pin on the power ribbon cable. 3rd pin coming from the top. 1, 2, 3. It looks like 6 pins there, so 3rd one from the top. Okay. Wow, this motherboard is super duper clean. Okay, let's just reset the CMOS, and we remove the giant battery, and check the CMOS battery as well. We're in DC mode, so that's good. The internal battery is also fine. So let's see if this board will turn on as is. Okay, let's have a look. Their charger looks okay too. This is their charger now. Sorry. Oh wow, okay, I didn't do anything. Alright, it's on. Looks like all it needed. Oh wait, we haven't got a light, okay. All it needed was a CMOS reset, okay. That's good news. Okay. But how come we don't have any what do you call it? A light on the charger. It's interesting. Got the power. White light faintly came on. Great, we'll let it run. Same 2.3, okay. So that's the power button, same view. Because the motherboard is very clean, I don't see any physical damages. I'll bring in a keyboard. We may be at a BIOS screen or something similar. Or a message about CMOS reset. Yeah, it's actually on. See? Yeah, that's fixed. Unless one of the components we removed is causing a short. So let's start to reassemble. See where or what happened to this guy. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for those readings. Alright, now let's try with their charger. And just make sure that Wi-Fi cable on the other end is not touching anything. No, it's not. Okay. So if it did turn on before, it should turn on exactly the same. There we go. Same charger. So we tried with our own DC jack earlier. Now we're using their own DC jack. There we go. The system should come on. We got a light there. Great. Okay. That's fine. So all it needed was CMOS reset. But you know what? Even though this one is technically finished, I've got a ASUS laptop, which is extremely strange, and I did only part recording. I'll continue that one. That one is a mystery. You won't even know the solution. I don't even know the solution. But I can allocate an hour on it. So let's go. What I'll do. This one is fixed, in my opinion. Nothing to worry. Let me just put these guys back. Unless one of these was causing the issue. Let me just put these guys back. We'll make it 2 video in 1. But the next job is extremely weird. I'll update you on it while I talk. It's for an Asus G. So just what I'll do, I'll put the customer's notes. 1 second. So you can think about that. It's very challenging. And I don't think, I don't know. I won't say anything yet. Where is it? Sent. It's extremely challenging. It's an Asus ROG gaming laptop. Here we go. Okay, so no personal information here. So here we go. So this is the model. I'm going to bring it up shortly. It's in the chat. And now it's come to us after going few places, and it came through another supplier. It has come through another wholesale, but the way it came is they CC me automatically the customer request. It's not like they had to look at the laptop. Okay, so that's the model. That's the problem description. Okay. There's a 200 word limit. Okay, 200 character limit. Okay, I'll do it bit by bit. That's their email. I'll just continue. And the steps they've taken, this is a copy paste from them. Second issue they've been developing, when probably I guess when it's working without the charger plugged in. Okay, that's the entire message. Good luck while I assemble this guy. It's good to brainstorm with other techs who might have other ideas. I could post on forums and wait, for response. What happened there when I moved this? I saw the charging light come on. That was weird, okay. Okay, that's all in. Now, will that turn on with the battery voltage? I don't know what the battery voltage is. Remember this model, the fan does not spin. When it's powered on. Okay, we could say maybe battery's dead. Hard to say. Sorry, you're not seeing. Okay. Check this out. No charging light anymore. Okay, so we got a bigger problem. Okay, so something happened very interesting. Let's connect this guy. We don't have any charging indicator, no light, nothing. Okay, let's connect here. So we don't have any charging light anymore. Okay, let's remove the battery. RR03XL comes on. Interesting. We'll leave it on. We'll have it on the screen, and I'm going to connect the. Okay, what we'll do, we'll turn that off. So this is actually a little bigger problem. Okay. Connect that. Connect the daughter board. after it comes on, and we should see screen shortly. BSOD means blue screen of death. Okay. Now, what I want to do is while it's plugged in, I'm going to actually, so we can see what happens on the screen, if it will shut off. It's now charging. Alright, let's check the voltage on the charging port, on the battery. That's probably ground. We could technically say it is currently charging the battery. Yeah. But it's going down. That's very erratic behavior. So what happens if I disconnect? It stays on the charger, on the battery. Reconnect. And it's now charging. This is so weird, eh? Let's power off the unit, see if it will turn back on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Okay, let's turn it off again. It's trying to boot. There is nothing to boot. Okay. Now let's disconnect the charger. See if it will turn on the battery. Yes, it does. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to explain this one. Alright, I'll bring up the Asus. I'll just quickly screw this guy in. Okay, I'm not sure if I need a screw there, but we'll find out. Okay. One more screw there, right? Maybe. Okay, then that's where I made a mistake. Probably don't need screw. Gonna bring the top part. Yeah, we don't need that screw there. Okay. Yeah, the rest of the screws I can put in later. We'll just do one quick test to make sure these screw holes are okay. No, shit. Okay. We'll do one more test. Yeah, it's working. Voltage low, yeah, could be. The moment I don't really care. If it was my retail client, I would care. This one is about not turning on from the wholesale team. But I'm sure it will be fine. Corporate models like these rarely have or hardly have poor quality batteries or anything along those lines. They're usually top. Okay. Power off. Power on. Yep, sweet. Okay, this guy's fine, mate. Happy days, okay. I will assemble the rest later on. So I've got 2 days to end it over, public holidays. Hey. Now I'll show you the interesting one. Probably we're not going to fix it, so not going to be able to fix it, I mean.